Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm gonna explain about project structure of Next.Js. So this project structure provide an overview of the file folder structure of a Next.Js project. It covers the top level files and folders, configuration files, and routing conventions within the app and page directory. First, we are going to see about the top level folders. First, we are going to see about app routers. In this app router, we can use the latest React feature such as streaming and server components. Previously, we can only use get the data in a pages, but we can't get the data using from server side in a components. But in app router we can get the data from server in components also. For example, we can't use server side props, static props in components, but now we can use in components. Streaming means, for example, if we are rendering whole page, the streaming will convert them into tiny small particles or small component. It will render individually, so the rendering speed will be very much fast. Next, page router. We all know the page router and we have worked previously. So in this page router we can use achieve dynamic routing, nested routing. So both app router and page router using same file based system routing. In page router we can't use server side components. We can only get the data from server from the pages only. Next, public folder we will use to manage the assets. Finally, source folder, it is an optional folder we can use as per our need only. Within this source folder, the app and the page folder will be there. Next, we are going to see about the top level files. First, Next.js configuration file. Here we can make changes regarding Next.js configuration. Next, package.json. Here we can see the what are the dependency we have and scripts. Instrumentation, it is an experimental feature which is used to find the issues with the performance, and we can import the libraries which we want. Middleware, it is used after one API call has been triggered, and by using this middleware we can change or update the response of the API. env variables, which is used to manage the variables which are available in a Next.js application. Next, ESLint. So it will show the what are the issues which is present in the application. Git ignore. We all know how we will use the git ignore. It is used to mention what are the files we don't want to push to the Git repository. Next, TypeScript dot next env.d.typescript. So this file is used to define a TypeScript declaration. TypeScript and JavaScript configuration. Here you can make the configuration changes as you need. Finally, post css config.js. This configuration is used to handle the tailwind CSS. Next video, I will start the app router application After finishing app router, I will explain page router. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.